Diagnosing BMW X3 alarm issues, common culprits. The most frequent causes are the hood liftgate switch, interior sensor, and Siren battery. The hood and liftgate switches are magnetic reed switches that can corrode or misalign, sending false signals. The interior sensor might be triggered by dust, failing batteries, or wiring issues. Lastly, the Siren has its own battery that weakens over time, causing erratic alarms. To pinpoint the problem, use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes like P6020 for BCM faults. Apps like Torque Pro or BMW's My BMW app can help you analyze alarm logs. Once you've identified the source, you can attempt some DIY fixes. For faulty hood liftgate switches, replace them with OEM or moisture-resistant aftermarket options from brands like Bosch or Valeo. Ensure proper alignment to avoid gaps. Clean interior sensors with compressed air and consider resetting them via the BCM. For a failing Siren battery, test the voltage with a multimeter. It should be 12 volt plus. If it's weak or the battery is non-replaceable, replace the entire Siren assembly. Remember to apply dielectric grease to switches to prevent future corrosion.